Hello everyone! I'm so happy to see you here on my channel. Today we're diving into a full Ramadan meal prep session, and I'm starting with the beef samosa filling so we can prepare our samosas later in the video. Feel free to say hi in the comments and share your thoughts as we go along. I always love hearing from you. Now, let's get started. Heat 1/4 cup oil in a pot and add 1 kilogram minced beef. Fry for about a minute, then add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Now season with salt to taste, 2 tablespoons coriander powder, 1 tablespoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half a teaspoon black pepper powder, half a teaspoon fennel powder. Stir well, pressing the meat to break it into small, even pieces. Cover and cook on low heat for 10 minutes until the moisture evaporates. Next, add 1 tablespoon chopped green chilies and 3 cups chopped dill, the secret ingredient that gives this filling its signature aroma and flavor. Mix in 1 finely chopped onion, then finish with 1 teaspoon garam masala. Cook for 1 more minute, let the mixture cool, and fill your samosa sheets. Seal the edges with corn flour paste or beaten egg. Freeze in Ziploc bags, they stay fresh for up to 3 months. Chinese spring rolls. Boil 500 grams boneless chicken with 2 glasses water, half a tablespoon ginger garlic paste, half a teaspoon black pepper, and salt to taste until tender. Shred the chicken and save the stock. Prepare your vegetables. 1 cup julienne cabbage, 1 julienne carrot, a 1/4 piece each of red, yellow, and green bell peppers, 2 chopped garlic cloves, chopped spring onions. Heat 5 to 6 tablespoons oil in a wok. Sauté the spring onion, chopped garlic, and a pinch of red chili flakes. Add 3 tablespoons chopped red onion and sauté briefly. Add the boiled chicken along with 1 tablespoon chopped green chilies. Now add all the vegetables plus the reserved chicken stock. Season with salt, 1 teaspoon Chinese salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 tablespoon white vinegar, 3 to 4 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons Worcestershire sauce. Stir fry on high heat for 2 minutes. Add a slurry made from 1 tablespoon corn flour, plus 2 tablespoons water to create a glossy finish. Let the mixture cool completely. Fill the spring roll sheets, seal, and freeze for later use. Cheese samosas. These are the easiest of all. Simply fill samosa sheets with cubes of your favorite cheese, seal, and freeze. Chickpea prep. Soak 1 kilo white chickpeas overnight and boil until soft. These are perfect for quick chana chat and fruit chat during Ramadan. Do the same with black chickpeas and store them for future use. Orange and grape juice cubes. Extract fresh orange juice and pour it into ice cube trays. Do the same with grape juice. Freeze and use the cubes to chill and flavor drinks throughout Ramadan. Potato chicken cheese croquettes. Mash 4 boiled potatoes. Add 1½ tablespoons chopped green chilies, ½ cup boiled and shredded sweet corn, 1½ cups boiled shredded chicken, ½ cup chopped coriander, ½ cup chopped onion, a handful of mozzarella cheese. Season with salt to taste, 2 tablespoons coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 tablespoon chicken stock powder. Mix thoroughly. Shape into croquettes, coat in breadcrumbs, and freeze. Frozen cherries. Soak fresh cherries in sugar syrup and freeze them. They turn darker in color and taste incredible. Mash and moong dal balls. Soak 3/4 cup black gram lentils and 1/4 cup green gram lentils for 6 hours or overnight. Drain the water and grind into a coarse paste, adding 1/4 cup water gradually. Whip the batter until light and airy. Then add 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Test the batter by dropping a small portion in water. It should float. Wet your hands, shape small balls, and fry until golden. Let them cool and freeze in Ziploc bags. They will be ready to use anytime you need them. Green chutney for fried items. Blend together 9 to 10 garlic cloves, 1-inch ginger piece, 2 tablespoons green chilies, a handful of coriander, a slightly smaller handful of mint, juice of 1 lemon, 2 teaspoon cumin seeds, 2 teaspoon black peppercorns, black salt and white salt to taste, water as needed. 4 to 5 ice cubes to preserve the green color. Pour into ice cube trays and freeze for convenient single-serve chutney portions. Fish cutlets. First, add water to a pan and place a medium-sized potato in it along with a fish fillet. Add just a pinch of salt, cover, and cook for 15 minutes. Remove the fish and potato into a bowl. Shred the fish until it's light and flaky. Mash the potato thoroughly so there are no lumps. Now add 1 teaspoon green chili paste, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, salt to taste, chopped coriander leaves, 1 finely chopped medium onion, 2 tablespoons corn flour, one teaspoon black pepper, 1 tablespoon chaat masala. Mix everything well. Shape into cutlets or kebabs and fry on low heat until golden on one side, then flip to cook the other side to the same color. These fish cutlets turn out incredibly tasty. My kids love them, and they have no idea they're made with fish. I hope you try these recipes and enjoy them as much as we do. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I'll see you in the next video.